Oh, sorry. So, when did I mute it long back? Sorry. I already thought I unmuted. Okay. You get into SAP system, right? Get into SAP. What the purpose of model pool program? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the purpose of the model pool program? We should not learn what we don't know. What is the purpose? If you don't know, we should not, right? Not makes very interesting. What we are doing, we should know the purpose, right? What is the purpose of model pool programming? I did, I said in first class, two classes back. What is the purpose of model pool programming?
It can be used to create interactive screens.
Instead of interactive, we can say as to create a screens programming. Got it? Screen programming. Very simple. Screen programming. What is the other name for the model pool program? What is the other name of the model pool program? Model pool program, diver program, both are same. Sorry, dialogue programming. This is model pool programming. Model pool programming or dialogue programming or screen programming, which will talk with all the screen flow, screens information. Model pool program, dialogue programming, screen programming. Okay. Basically used for you take note on parallelly the note as well, what I'm telling, and then later maybe through the recording and all. Yes. Okay. Used for, yeah, I gave this definition already. Used for creating business T codes that are going to T codes that are going to use by the business users for their day-to-day business activities. Okay. Think, can you tell me examples of business transaction codes? What are the examples of business transaction codes? Come on, fast. Hope you are concentrating complete here. Close any other browsers. With complete concentration. Don't deviate. Listen carefully. Every word. Okay. So what are the different examples of business transaction codes we know? Correct. No problem. See, even wrong also, no problem. Tell it. Nothing wrong. MM01. What else? MM02, right? MM03. What else? What else? We have seen other. Correct. VA01, right? Sales order creation. VA02. VA03. Anything else? Correct. ME21N. Purchase order creation. ME22N. Okay, ME23N. Display the purchase order. Okay. And BP. Business partner transaction code here. Okay. All this is transaction codes has been built by concept is model pool programming. For last 20, 30 years, you can say. Concept is backend concept is model pool only. Now in the new S4 HANA, okay, instead of the GUI, model pool is based on the GUI, graphical user interface. So they are going with the Fury apps. But otherwise, you see all the existing GUI transaction codes back in this code only. You see a lot of in the projects, G transaction codes also as custom. Sorry, based on the model pool programming. So this knowledge skill is very, very important to understand the model pool programming. Okay. So this is the flow, right? If you see the flow, this is the transaction code. Suppose if you take MM01 also. So we will enter all, create new material, right? Create new material. Then you click on save button here. After entering all the details, we click on give on save button here. Okay. The moment you click on save button, what will happen is backend screen programming will execute what we have written in the last session. Data will transfer from here to database tables. This is the database tables here. This is the database here. So the event that will trigger is, anyone knows? One event will trigger after the screen. Last session I showed you in the flow very clearly. PAI, process after input. This block of the code will execute, data will transfer to from here to here, database tables. For Mara tables, Marset tables. Okay, clear? So we already created one program. Yesterday also we were doing one. I gave homework, right? So if we go to the group, I can see here, right? This one. Okay. So have you done this? If you do this only, we'll come to know all the concepts what we have learned already. Means creating a table with these fields, client, the material number, material type, units of measure. And this table we are going to update through screen with these buttons. So all the things will be covered. Your skin ABAP dictionary will be covered. Your data base update concepts will be covered with this one. Okay. So you log into SAP. If you have not done it, do it quickly with me parallelly. Now, because you are already familiar, almost 2 months is over, we should be able to do parallelly with me. That much fast you should be there. Provided we pay 100% concentration, we'll do that. So it should be very fast navigation because we know now we are not a new people. You should go to me as parallelly. Okay. So get into SAP system. First is table creation. Go to here. This you should do as homework. Then only you know a lot of doubts will get. If I do, you do it, we don't get much knowledge. Okay, go to here. First, create a table quickly with these fields. If you are not done yesterday, do it quickly with these fields, which I pasted already in the yesterday. I will paste also in here. Okay, I pasted already here. First, create a table with these fields. These fields. Client, material number, material type, MATKL, MANS. You know all these fields. Open parallel Mara table. Copy paste the data element. Do it quickly, 5 minutes. Right? ZAH, Mara. You can go Same like model pool. This I should not tell, I should be able to do now. What name should be given? Okay. Material data table that updates from program. Go to here. Go to here. Choose here. Delivery class. Maintenance allowed. Fields. Okay. Go to the MANDT. MAND. Don't get any new data element. Use the standard data element. MATNR. MTRT. MATK. Right? MEINS. This is enough. And then make it this a primary key, initial flag, and MATNR, MTRT, MATK, MANS here. Save it here to the package. Enter. Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Data class. Size category. Okay. Done now. Save it back. Enter. Okay. Now the table is created. So this table we are not going to do update the data manually, but we are going to do the business transaction. Check it, I copied in our chart window also. Do it, the table, click, do it, create the table. So now we are going to create a business transaction code. Business T code. ZMAH underscore 01. Using this T code. Okay. Using this T code, we are going to create, update, delete, modify the records for the custom table we have created. See the database update pro in the whole 80 that will happen every day. Like if you post, if you upload video, then that is the scenario of database update. Also, if you post some message, it is some message in Facebook, that message will go and sit in the database of Facebook. Okay. Similarly, if you post the message in LinkedIn, the database will be updated. Database of LinkedIn will be updated with your message with the same flow. What we are discussing. But clear? This is clear. So I'll copy this. Okay, so table we have created now. What is next step? Next step is we have to create a business transaction code, right? So to create a business transaction code, first we should create a module pool program. This is a module pool program. There is a module pool or dialog programming or screen programming here. Okay. So which transaction code is better to go to create a module pool program? Which transaction code we should go?
ACAT.
Correct, very good. Slash OSCAT. Go to slash OSCAT and then create a new module pool program here, starting with ZMH. Material update. So this should be as meaningful as possible. Module pool material update as meaningful as possible. Press enter. Click on yes. Okay. If you want to do parallel, I gave the link, YouTube link as well. You can go through, see it in the mobile or something. Now here, right, we don't choose the top linked program because it creates extra program. Okay, we don't need this one now. Press enter here. Okay. Here choose instead of executable program, choose module pool program here to design the screen basically. Enter. Okay. Save it. Save it. Enter. So now module pool has been created. Program has been created. For this, you are going to create a screen here. Okay. Activate. This is a better practice. This is the flow. Go to here. Okay. Now this is the program we created here. This is the program, module pool program. And inside the program, you are going to create the screen here. This is screen. In the screen fields, you are going to place. Say screen number 100 here. This is screen number 100. Okay. In this, you are going to place the table fields to update the data into the database. Okay, this is screen 100. Now go to here. Okay. Right click. Create screen. Give screen number as 100. Okay, enter. Here. Materials. Data update. Save it here. Okay. Click on layout here. This layout is to design the screen. Screen elements you can design here. Do it parallelly with me. Here, anyone tell me what I should do to place the fields? Which button I should click here? Which button I should click here?
Dictionary or program fields window.
They are program fields, correct. So that what the concept here is, with the by doing that, listen carefully. Every word is important, faculty word. By doing this, we are not getting the data. You are going to get the structure of the table fields. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are not going to get the data here. You are giving the table name. When you click on get from dictionary, table structure will come, table fields will come. Okay, go to the table, copy paste the table name here. Copy. Go to here, copy here. Get from program. Sorry, get from dictionary. Get from dictionary. Got it. Okay. We don't need MAND field. Okay, no? Why? Anyone think and tell me? We don't need to place MAND field here for data update. Why? Anyone can think and tell me? So
So
learning.
because it is a client field.
Correct. Client field data, we cannot enter manually. Understood? It takes automatically from the client which you are logged in. Okay. Because you logged in client number 100, it system will take automatically the client number. You should not. You should not, you cannot. Okay. Na? Even if I took also, it will be in gray out. See, gray out here. Here. Clear? Okay, now what I do is I'll place one button, insert button here. This button. If I click this insert button, this information should go and sit in the database. Okay. For that, what I do is text I give as insert. Okay. And the name I can give as push button 1. Any name you can give here. Still red. What could be the reason? I said in the last lesson. What could be the reason? Still it is a red. Still it is a red. Hmm? That means still we are not given the complete all the fields information we are not given. Right? I mean, all the attributes, not the fields. This button attributes, double click here. It will show you the pop-up here. Here you should give the value. Anyone tell last session who is attended, what is the purpose of this field here? What value you give here? Hmm? This is what is going to capture in the runtime of the program into your system variable. Okay, clear? What I do is I'll place only this one button, okay, na? And the exit button. Copy here, put exit button. Okay, exit. Text is exit. And here the name is, I can give the push button to double click here and give that exit name here, so that you are going to capture this value in the runtime of the program into the system variable sy icon econ. Save it now. Back. Okay. Activate. So this is the error is coming. Double click here. Okay. Now activate. Save it. Activate. When you activate the program and screen, both will activate automatically with this way. Okay. Now the screen is there now. Okay. This is the flow. This screen is there. Whenever you execute any screen, right? Screen will contain by default two events. One is we call as PBO event, PBO, process before output here. Okay. See the program. Okay. I think I'll write like this. This is the program. Program contains the screen. So screen contains the event by default two events. One is for writing the code. Before the screen comes, that code will execute. And other one is to write a code to do the functionality of the button you press on this screen. This is called PAI, process after in. Process after in. Okay. This is called process before output, means before output of the screen. Process before output of the screen. Okay. Now the moment I click on the button, right, control will come from here to here. To process the data what you executed and show again, because you don't have any next screen, again this screen will be visible for you. Okay, now this functionality we are going to write here. Go to here, expand the screen. This is the two events, PBO and PA. This. Here. Okay. Here, PAI is this one here. This is the PAI. This is the PA, process after input. PBO is this one here. PBO. This is the PBO here. This part is PAI. Clear? Hello? Okay. Now, what is the next step? Anyone can tell? To write the code under this event, what you should do? What I should do?
We should uncomment the fifth
Correct.
line.
Correct. This module. So assume that this is like a subroutine concept only, similar to subroutine. No? So this is one block. This block you are going to write the code. Double click here. Click on S. Right here it will ask that whether you want to create any extra include program or in the main program only. In the main program only, if you choose, it will create one block in the main program. See here. Click on S here. See, this is the main program only, one block extra created here. Here. So we are going to write the code in this block, this block. This block will execute when you click the button. Okay. Next step. What is the system variable that will capture the value of the button? Specify ucom. Insert. Okay. Insert. Right. Your custom table name. From the work area actually, this table name. Okay. Save it now. Check syntax. Okay. Can you think how do you evaluate this one? How to remove this error? This is work area, nothing but what you enter on the screen fields. Anyone? How to resolve this error? This one is end if okay, and else if, right? For the second button, no, S5 ucom equal to exit leave program. Tell me now, how to resolve this error? It is saying that it is unable to identify this one. So how to make it that to be enabled? How to resolve this error? No, just like
To specify table.
how to resolve this one? What we should do? We should declare the tables here. Tables and table name. Right now, this error will not come here. Check syntax, activate. Okay, now no errors. So this is going to insert one record into the database table from the screen fields here. This statement will insert it will insert one record into the database custom table, from the screen fields. From the screen fields, this one. This contains the screen fields in which screen fields data. Okay. Save it now. Check syntax, activate. Okay. Now if I execute Directly try to execute. So why this error is coming? Anyone can tell? You see the error? Why this error is coming? Right? Why this error is coming? Or what is this problem? Read this error. Are you able to listen to me? Hello?
So,
So what is this error? It is showing very clearly, right? Saying that it is not an executable
master
program.
program is not
Not executable because we have created a module pool, right? So for that, what you should is you should create a business transaction code. Right click, create transaction. Okay, give here ZMH material. Right, material update, material update, material update here. So I'm creating a new transaction code. Okay. Now tell me which option I should choose here. Which option I should choose here in this radio button? So first one or second one or which one? Just now I told, right?
first one.
First one, dialog programming, nothing but model pool. So enter. Okay. Now copy paste the program name here from here to here. Screen number. Save it this one now. Save it. Save it. Enter. Okay. Now you can execute this one. Execute. Okay. See client field you cannot enter the data. I can enter randomly materials data. Material number 100. Okay. Material type raw material. Okay. Material group. I'll choose some value from material group here. Some tires. And how do you measure this material? kg. Okay. The moment I click on save, this is the flow. The moment I click on save, control will go to here. It will execute this code. And the data will transfer to database. Data will transfer to the database. Okay, this is the concept. The moment I click on save, control will go to the block of the PI code, what we have written, and the data will be transferred into this SAP database tables because of the insert statement. Okay, now go to here. Okay, insert, click on insert here. So data has been inserted. How do you know? Go to here, table, contents, execute here. See, one record has been transferred from the screen to database. Clear? Hello? Now, if I click on exit button, it comes out of the program here now. Okay. Now one more record I will insert. Okay, what I do is go to here. I'll put a breakpoint. So I'll make you to explain in the run mode. Double click here. Put a cursor here. Breakpoint here. Execute. Okay. Transaction. Execute. Okay. Give the material number. So this time we'll give material number 200. Material type. The moment I'll give on save, right? The moment insert button, control will go to this block code here. This block of the code. Okay. I'll save it now. Insert. Control went to debugging mode into this code here. This is the PI event. After input means screen activity. Process after input. After you give the input, what is the action now? You are checking now. That's why you come equal to insert here. This become true or false? Line number 15.
True.
True, right? So it goes to inside line number 16 now here. So what is this 16 line number will do? This contains, listen very carefully, otherwise you don't understand. This contains the values you have entered on the screen here. Double click here. You can see here. This is the value you have entered on the screen. This is the values I have entered. This values is available in this is the work area actually, screen fields. And you are inserting into this table here. Okay. What we are doing here is, I already written the code already. Yeah. Yeah. This insert statement going to take the data from the screen fields into the custom table. Yeah. This contains the screen fields. This contains the screen fields data entered by the user. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now the data will insert here. Okay. Data is inserted. Second record has been inserted now. It's good now. Okay. Now tell me. Okay. Again, I will give the same material number 200. Will it work or will not work? Already now two records are there. Material number 200 is there already. Observe here. Material number 200 is available already here. Okay. Now, if I insert, data will update or not? The same material number, will it allow or not? This is my question. Listen very carefully. Will it update or not? Material number, same material number, will data be updated into the table or not? Already I created with this material. Material number is unique primary key in the table. Are you listening carefully? Will it update or not? Can you say hi? Are you able to hear or not?
Yes.
So question clear?
Yes.
Already I have material number of this M200 into the table. I am trying to insert again this table, sorry, this record into the table. Will this record will be inserted or not? This is the question, simple question, right? Why we are thinking? Will
It
allow
will
or will
be.
not allow? Huh?
It will. It will allow.
It will allow. How it will allow? It's primary key, right? Primary key will not allow duplicate records, right? Is material number 200, observe very carefully. Material number 200, it is available in the table here. Already it is available. This is the primary key. Can you enter again material number 200 with the primary key? Is it possible? This is what we learned so many months, right? Last 2 months. Primary key concept. Will it allow one more material number to enter with the same value?
Yes.
No, no, right? It will not allow, right? Get the point? Material number C here, primary key here, right? This is the primary key material number. It will not allow because duplicates will not allow, right?
Yes.
Very simple, right? Why we are struggling, I don't know. Very simple logic, right? This is the primary key. It won't allow duplicates. That's all. Now go to here. Okay. Execute. Click on insert here. Okay. It is going to here. It is going to here. Okay. Okay. Where is my control? Observe carefully. Full concentration. Where is my control? Which line number?
16.
16. So 16 become true or false? What is the meaning true? What is the false? True means it will insert the data. False means it will not be able to insert the data.
It will not.
So it will insert or it will not insert the data now because already we have this material number already available. So there is no possibility of inserting. It will fail.
It will
Fail
not
means
insert.
so fail, success or fail. Fail means which variable will trigger, which variable will tell us success or failure in ABAP.
SY subars.
Correct, very good. What is the SY subars value now currently on the screen?
0.
0. Now this is going to become after insert statement. What is going to happen?
Non-zero.
Non-zero. Very good answer. Because we cannot say 4. See here, it became 4. That means non-zero, failed. Why failed? Because record is already existing. Okay, clear? That's all. Okay, so this is the code. I will give it to you. You do it. I'll stop here. Remaining buttons you should do. Maybe today only I will take the evening class. By today evening class, you should complete the remaining buttons code. I'll check all your programs of this topic. Okay, na? What the code you need? You need this code. This code you need. I can give this code. Okay, I give the code here. And which code you need? You need, if you know this, you can go, I can give this one as well. I'll give the print screen. Okay. So make sure that for all the remaining buttons, you should complete by today evening class. I'll check today evening class. Yeah, this insert I have done. You
Okay.
should do update, modify, delete. Okay, na? So I'll stop.